Hi, curl friends. Oh my gosh, listen, it's been entirely too long, so I'm gonna get right into today's tutorial. One of the most common and most popular questions that I get, hands down, is how do I maintain my twist outs for multiple days? And what is my nighttime routine as well as my morning routine to refresh my curls? So, because you guys have begged for this video, I'm finally answering and giving it to you. So, what you see here right now is day one. This is a fresh twist out. I wore it during the day today, and this is my first night wrapping it up. So this will be considered night one. You'll notice I just did the pineappling method by gathering the hair on top of my head, putting a scarf on it and wrapping it up. And to protect the ends that fell out, I'm wearing this big purple bonnet, which I got from the Main Choice. So welcome to day one of refreshing. So I am now using my fingers to really just loosen up the curls, right? And then I grab my pick and I pick through to help further loosening up the curls. You'll notice that when I'm picking and using my fingertips, I'm not pulling all the way through the curl. I'm really just focusing on the root of the hair to provide volume and separation. You'll also notice that I'm not going to do anything with the back or sides of my hair today. I'm going to let them just kind of be because it's a fresh twist out. There was really no need for me to add any type of water or product to the hair. So I just took my fingertips, loosened up some of the curls that were matted on the sides and back, and this is going to be my day one look. For night two, we are once again using the pineapple method. So I have this big, large black scarf. It's a silk scarf. If you're not using a silk scarf, that's just natural hair 101. Get you a silk scarf, sis, okay? I fold it up into the triangle shape, and then I bend my hair over and I place all the hair on top of my head and I simply tie the scarf. For the hair that is falling out, I wear a bonnet because I just like that extra protection on the ends because I do sleep with cotton pillows. And that's really is my nighttime routine. Simple yet effective. So we're getting into day two. You'll notice that my sides and back are really matted today, right? The curls are tight, they are flat, and I mean, the sides and back look atrocious. The top of the hair is still going strong though. So for the sides and back, I always start off with water as my key and main ingredient for refreshing curls. Do not refresh your curls without adding water first. Do not add product to your hair without adding water first because the product is literally going to sit on top of the hair shaft. So what I do to help that is I use my fingertips, especially on the sides and back of my hair because it's short, and I rub in the water before applying the product so that the water is fully on my hair and that the hair shaft can be opened up and accept moisture via the water. So the product that you just saw was Uncle Funky's Darter Curling, hold on guys. What is it called? Oop, forgive me. Okay, yeah. So it's Uncle Funky's Darter Curl Stimulator. Okay. And it's a gel and it's an aloe-based gel. So your hair isn't going to be crunchy. It's actually going to be soft with a nice hold. I took some of that because the back is matted and we're on day two. And I just worked that product into my hair. But before I worked the Uncle Funky's Darter product into the sides and back of my hair, what did I do? I reactivated the existing product on my hair before I added that product, and that was done with water and fingertips. So I just needed to add a little bit of product to get what you see here, which is a more defined curl on the sides and back. You'll notice that for day 2, what I didn't do was apply product to the top of my hair because it was still moisturized and hydrated, so there was no need for me to apply any more product to the top of my hair. This is this night 3 already? I think this is night 3. So for night 3, I'm literally I think this is night 2. Sorry guys. So whatever night this is, it's the same routine. A pineapple, move all your hair up to the top, wrap up the sides, and then put that bonnet on top of my hair. Very, very simple. Okay, we are in day 3. Woo woo. Okay, so for day 3, you'll notice, oh my gosh, look at the sides and back, okay? But they're not too bad because I did add product and water to my hair yesterday. So what I'm gonna do for day 3 is once again for the sides and back, I'm gonna rework the water into my hair to reactivate the existing product that we left in my hair from yesterday. So that Uncle Funky's Darter curl stimulator, I love it because it does a really good job carrying multiple days. So you'll see that I'm not going to reapply that today. I'm just literally taking my time with my fingertips in water and reactivating the existing product from yesterday. This takes a bit of time. I'm not gonna lie. Here you see a sped up video, but in real life, this is like maybe 5 to 8 minutes, maybe even 10 minutes if I'm being honest with you. But it's 10 minutes well spent because you really want to work the water and the product into your hair. So what I'm spraying on my hair right now is called an Up North Naturals. It's a brand based out of Canada. And what this product does is completely refreshes your hair using water and aloe. So it's a water-based product. So like my water bottle is not infused with anything. It's just water. So the difference between this and my water bottle in the Up North Naturals is that the Up North Naturals is infused with aloe. Aloe is a great way to add additional moisture to your hair. It's also a great detangler as well, which is why I like to use it to refresh my hair. So because you spray your hair with water, what you're doing is you're opening up that hair shaft. I now need to seal in the moisture that the water applies to my hair through using an oil. So what I'm using here is Pattern Beauty jojoba oil, and I love jojoba oil, specifically this oil, because it does a really nice job of mimicking the existing oil on our hair, which is called sebum. Jojoba oil is very close to how sebum is, and so what you do here is I just took a few drops of the Pattern Beauty oil and I applied it to the hair to seal in and to lock in the moisture that I gained from water, and that was all the products that I did for day 3. I skipped over the day 4 night routine. It's the same thing as previous days. So for day 4 day routine here, what am I doing? I'm starting off by using my trusty dusty water, okay? And I'm working the water into the curls. I'm now taking, once again, the Uncle Funky's Darter Curl Stimulator Gel, and I am applying it to my hair. You'll notice I didn't do it yesterday, but I'm going to do it again today. This is the most difficult part, I believe, of having a taper cut, is really maintaining the sides and the back of your hair. So what I'm doing here is, again, taking the Pattern Beauty. Notice I didn't really apply it to my hair. Instead, I just did a quick scalp massage to add moisture to my scalp. I'm using my fingertips once again to separate the curls and to loosen it up from the root. And then I use water and the Up North Naturals Refresher Spray, and I work that in before applying this next product, which is Curl Theory's Multi-Use Styling Cream. I love Curl Theory, that's no secret. And what I love about this styling cream is that it lasts for multiple days. So my original twist out was done with this multi-use styling cream, and this is day 4. The first day that I have to reapply a cream to the top of my hair for moisture, okay? So again, always start off by applying moisture to your hair via water. Then work in the water into your hair, then apply the product so that the product can really be taken in and sucked up through the hair shaft, through your water. And I'm just literally combing through, separating out curls with my fingertips, working in the product into each of my existing curls. Notice I'm not taking apart the curls too much, because when you do that, it does what? That causes frizz. So to minimize frizz, I literally just focus on the areas of my hair that are frizzy. I apply water, separate them out, and re-finger coil using the multi-use cream. And then I just took a pick here and once again added volume to the hair, further separating out the curls and adding some volume with the pick. And that's really going to be the style for today. And this is a wrap for day 4. Because I didn't think my hair was going to turn out well, I just added a little clip. Have fun with your hair when you're refreshing it. And remember, the key to refreshing your hair is what? Water. Bye, curl friends.